All right, here's a really fun 20-minute scan test that I absolutely love to do personally. I love to do this with my clients, and I wanted to share it with you today. So it's called, again, a 20-minute decluttering scan test. It's really simple. It's really fast. It can be a little confronting, but let's see if you pass. Okay, so this is how it works. The first thing is set your timer for 20 minutes. Grab your timer, set it for 20 minutes. That's it. No more, no less. During that time, you're going to scan your space. No organizing, no overthinking, no cleaning, just scanning. Now, where to look? I want you to start with your closets, then your drawers, then your countertops, then your floors, and scan the rooms like you're seeing it for the first time. And I want you to ask yourself, what hasn't been used in months? What's just sitting there? What's taking up space? Again, no guilt, no drama, just facts. Now, what to do while you're doing this? Try to gather as many unused or unnecessary items as you can in those 20 minutes and see how many you can get. Now, toss them in a donate pile or a box and then you're done. Just allow yourself to just go as fast as you can. And this isn't about perfection. This is just about noticing and being honest about what you love, what you use, and what's actually still serving you in your life, and what you're not using, what you just kind of keep moving out of the way so that you can get to the stuff that you're actually using. So once you're done with the 20 minutes and the timer goes off, you're done, whether you've scanned all your spaces or not. Look and see how much stuff is in there. Now, this is a cool fact or, fun fact about this is that I'm a minimalist. I declutter as I go all the time. But when I do this 20-minute decluttering scan test, I'm actually kind of shocked at how much I get. I'm like, oh, snap. Because I'm literally going in and scanning and saying, what do I not use? Because I don't go into all of my spaces every single day. There's some times where I don't go into the space for sometimes months. Like I have a cabinet that I have cookware that I use a couple of times a year, and I keep because I use it a couple of times a year, but I use them. I don't use them all the time. But I do on occasion when I do this, I'll go in there and I scan it and I'm like, And I recently found a strainer that I was like, I never use that. Even when I dig into this cabinet and do all the things, I haven't used this in like 2 years. Boom, out it went. I actually gave it to my neighbor. So, because she asked me for one and I was like, wait a minute, I got one. And I pulled it out of my donation box. So this is something that it's really cool going in and just doing that quick scan. Again, you're not judging it. You're just looking at, you're kind of judging it. Like, does this actually deserve to be in my space? But you're not organizing, you're not cleaning, you're just scanning the space and saying, what do I know off the top of my head while I'm scanning this space that I'm not using? I'm not going to use it. I'm just going to get rid of it. And seeing how much you can come up with in those 20 minutes. Now, another really fun thing that happens when you do this is you'll often want to keep going. So if that's the case, grab your timer, do it for another 20 minutes. And again, just go in and just scan a space with a box or a bag and seeing how much you can toss in there within 10 or 20 minutes. And this is one of the things, again, I'm the queen of the 10-minute quick clean or the 10-minute declutter. I've been doing that for 20-some years, actually probably 30 years now because my kids are 29 and 26. One just had a birthday. And this is something that I started doing with them when they were tiny, tiny, tiny. So give yourself permission to do this. Now, I want you to tell me in the comments, what is something off the top of your head that you are ready to toss or donate? Also, if this hits home, share it with someone who is drowning in clutter and needs a wake-up call, or someone who pretty much has it all together, but you're curious at how many pieces they might be able to get in this 20 minutes. Maybe make it a competition. Please remember to subscribe, follow this feed, and give this a thumbs up. Also, please hit that notification bell so you know every single time an episode is released. I will see you in the next video. Mwah.